Behind the line in 3, 2, 1, go.
Kicking off qualification match 49. A handful of fuel coming out from, I believe that was Tank Rex 851, who now steals some fuel from the center for the Blue Alliance. They launched that into the hub as well. Human players on both sides launching fuel into the hub as well at 1 point per piece over that field wall. We enter 2 minutes and 20 seconds of teleop control. We see those blue lights flashing on the hub, indicating that the Red Alliance will have the first Alliance-specific shift. There they go now. 25 seconds for the Red Alliance to score fuel in the hub. 4682, the Cybears, they make their way underneath the red trench into the neutral zone. They join their alliance partner 2980, the Whidbey Island Wildcats. And Rashid's a little loud, but they do manage to gather up some fuel and make their way over the red bump. They look to aim to score that into their hub in the final seconds as that hub now begins to flash. That sound means that we're transferring control on over to the Blue Alliance side of the field. On the other side, the right side of the field, we watch as the humans now launch fuel directly into that hub. They're able to get those in for 1 point apiece. 4682, the Cybears do chase the Blue Alliance out and around their Blue Alliance zone. The Tank Rex takes a long way around. They exit under the blue trench and make their way over the bump. Now, lining up with that hub, they score several pieces of fuel into that Blue Alliance hub. 2980, they make their way up over the Red Alliance bump. A little bit precarious there as they end up on their front bumper, but they do manage to get their wheels all back down to the carpet. And the Red Alliance now working on getting fuel back into that hub. Iron Patriots, they're trying to make their way underneath the red trench, perhaps the bump, but the Chargers of the Blue Alliance getting in their way, playing defense. Now they bump up against another Red Alliance robots. 4682, the Cybears being defended against, as now the Bears make their way up over the bump, back into Blue Alliance territory. Cybears leaping back and forth across bumps and under trenches. Red Alliance now sweeping fuel back into their zone to get ready for their next shift. It's going to be an end game shift as we're quickly approaching the end of our match. Iron Patriots saying hello to Tank Rex up near the blue tower, and they now quickly back away, or maybe not, as we watch flags wave in that zone. With under 30 seconds to play, these towers now become protected areas. Teams will have to be careful driving around those areas to not run afoul of any potential rule violations. Whidbey Island Wildcats, we've seen them climb before in this game. They're now lining up at the tower. We'll see if they're able to make their way up into the air. Blue Alliance robots getting some final pieces of fuel into their hub. Whidbey Island, they try to curl up, get an awkward angle, return back to the carpet as time expires. Victory in that match goes to your Blue Alliance. Final score 124-73. 3 points for the victory, as well as the Energized rank point bonus go to your Blue Alliance. They move upwards in our standings. Excellent work from both alliances once again in that match as we make our way onwards to match 50 out of the total 60 qualification matches we'll be playing before Alliance selection.